Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing N8N with Flowise. So these two are the powerful automation and AI workflow tools. So I'm going to be explaining what each one actually does, and I'm also going to show you how they actually works and helps you decide which one is the best for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First, let's talk about N8N. So N8N is an open source workflow automation tool. You can connect hundreds of apps, APIs, and AI models with the drag and drop nodes. For example, you can build a workflow where a new email Gmail automatically gets summarized by ChatGPT and sent to Slack. So the interface will look something like this. Now, if I talk about Flowise, so Flowise is an open source tool that focused on AI agent workflows. It lets you visually build and display LLM powered agents, chatbots, and RAG pipelines. The interface will be something like this, and all of the nodes will look like this. With the help of it, like you can connect ChatGPT with your Notion docs so that your users can query your company's knowledge base in the real time. Now, if I talk about the key differences between these two, I would like to say that N8N actually best for the general automation, gives you complex integrations and connecting with the multiple services. If I talk about the strengths of Flowise, so it is best for building the AI applications, chatbots, and custom GPT powered assistants. If I talk about the parameter of ease of use, so both are visual, but Flowise is simpler if you focus is only on the AI agents. In terms of scalability, N8N handles huge workflows across multiple apps, while Flowise is more specialized. Your question must be which one is actually best for you. So you can use N8N if you need all-in-one automation across the applications, or you can use Flowise if your focus is on AI chatbots and agents. Both are free, open source, and powerful in 2025. So if this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, and comment below which tool you would pick. Thanks for watching.